This brief video describes the events of the cell cycle. For life to continue, cells must periodically divide. The cell life cycle encompasses the series of changes a cell undergoes from the time it is formed until it divides. The cell cycle can be divided into two main phases: interphase and mitosis. Interphase is the phase where most of the cell's growth and preparatory activities for cell division take place. In this phase, the cell accumulates materials needed for DNA replication. The cell also synthesizes an extra set of DNA and the necessary enzymes for the mitosis phase. Mitosis? Cell division occurs in mitosis. This phase can be further subdivided into various stages where chromosomes condense, the nuclear envelope breaks down, the mitotic spindle forms to equally separate the chromosomes, and ultimately, two daughter cells are formed, each with a complete set of chromosomes.
A key focus of a cell's life cycle is mitosis, when the cell splits into two identical daughter cells. Mitosis consists of the following four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, chromatin begins to coil and condense to form chromosomes. Each chromosome consists of two strands, called chromatids. Each strand contains a single molecule of DNA. The two chromatids join together in the middle at a spot called the centromere. While the nuclear envelope dissolves, centrioles move to opposite poles of the cell and spindle fibers form in the cytoplasm. This is the final stage of prophase. During metaphase, some of the spindle fibers attach to one side of the chromosomes, and the chromosomes line up along the center of the cell. The next stage of mitosis is anaphase. The centromeres divide, forming two chromosomes instead of a pair of attached chromatids. The spindle fibers pull the newly formed chromosomes to opposite poles of the cell. Each pole will have an identical set of genes. Telophase is a reversal of prophase events. A new nuclear envelope develops around each set of daughter chromosomes. The spindle fibers disappear, and the cytoplasm divides to produce two identical daughter cells. The growth of organs and tissues in a developing child, the repair of damaged tissue after an injury, and the replacement of cells that die through the course of everyday living all involve mitosis. The only cells that don't divide through mitosis are sex cells.
The G0 phase. Some cells, such as mature nerve cells or muscle cells, may exit the cell cycle and enter a resting phase called the G0 phase. Cells in the G0 phase can remain in this quiescent state for extended periods or even permanently. However, under certain conditions, they may re-enter the cell cycle and start dividing again.